Welcome to Nursing Lecture with Imtiaz. Dear viewer, today we will discuss about the biliary system. The biliary system consists of the organ and ducts, bile ducts, gallbladder, and associated structure that are involved in the production and transportation of bile. The transportation of bile follow this sequence. Number first, when the liver cells secrete bile, it is collected by a system of ducts that flow from the liver to the right and left hepatic duct. These ducts ultimately drain into the common hepatic duct. The common hepatic duct then join with the cystic duct from the gallbladder to form the common bile duct. This run from the liver to the duodenum, the first section of the small intestine. However, not all bile run directly into the duodenum. About 50% of the bile produced by the liver is first stored in the gallbladder. This is a pear-shaped organ located directly below the liver. Then when food is eaten, the gallbladder contract and release stored bile into the duodenum to help break down the fat. The function of biliary system is to drain waste product from the liver into the duodenum to help in digestion with controlled release of bile. Bile is a greenish yellow fluid consisting of waste product, cholesterol, and bile salt that is secreted by the liver cell to perform two primary functions: to carry away waste, to break down fats during digestion. Bile salt is the actual components that help break down and absorb fats. Bile, which is excreted from the body in the form of feces, is what gives feces its dark brown color. Thank you for watching this.